Ripon will make history or create history. The four fielders in the circle, short third, short fine, power point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon to eye those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh will be looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just one hit away.
Into reverse swing was tailing back in to the right hander, which will go away from the left-handed Mas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to within stroke, direct it would have had him. It was excellent cricket. That was excellent by Ripon Mandal, off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end.
How good Ripon has been. On the target, under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Great control, must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. And he's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
Full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, the good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. And Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Ball back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require one now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim, it was lovely to see. He was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. But under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. He went with the swing. And Pakistan Shahis, they can sense it. It's just one run away.
No more drama required. Yes, Ripon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stumps. And with that, Pakistan Shahins wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition.